Here is the latest images of China's third type-075 LHD that spread on social media. Looks like it's about to enter service, which means the third China's type-075 will soon be ready for combat missions, joining the first and second type-075 LHD. China has already built the first two vessels in the class. The first type-075 for the PLAN was launched in September 2019 and started sea trials in August 2020, while the second one was launched in April 2020 and started its sea trials in December 2020. This represents an impressive rate of one LHD launched every 6 months. China's third Type-075 amphibious assault ship, a landing helicopter duck, was launched in January 2021. A total of 8 LHDs are said to be on order for the People's Liberation Army Navy, while a larger version is rumored to be planned, sometimes referred as Type-076. The Chinese Navy officially started development work on the Type-075 in 2011. The project called for a helicopter carrier displacing more than 30,000 tons. Its aim is likely to increase the vertical amphibious assault capability with the very mountainous east coast of Taiwan in mind. As for its specifications, rumors speak of 36,000 tons of displacement, capacity of 28 helicopters, diesel engine with a 12,000 kilowatt, 16 PC-2 6B, and 4 CIWS, including 2 HQ-10 and 2 HPJ-11. When fully operational, the new Type-075 LHD will bolster the PLAN's amphibious capabilities, which today rely on the Type-071 LPD design.